You want to stick out our tongues? Do you want to make fishy faces? Let's make your cute face. Let's make mean faces. Oh, that's super mean. Oh boy. Can you make your pouty face?
No.
That looks like a pout. Yeah, that's a pouty face. Can you do your cute face again? What other faces do you know?
No.
Do you want to sing a song for them?
Nah.
Hey, what song did you learn yesterday? Jingle Bells?
No.
No? Okay. Can you say goodnight, Grandma?
Good night, Grandma.
Goodnight, Gramps.
Good night, Grandma.
Goodnight, Heather.
Good night, Heather.
Okay. All right, buddy. Can you blow him a kiss?
Bye-bye.
Good job. All right.